वेलकम टू इडू फार्मा एक्सपर्ट। नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो आज का टॉपिक है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी सेकेंड, जो कि बी फार्मा सेकेंड ईयर के सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का सब्जेक्ट है, जिसका कोड है BP201T। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर 10 नंबर्स। 1. What is the significance of the stomach mucosal lining and its protective mechanism? 2. Explain how the different lobes of the cerebral cortex and contribute to various cognitive and sensory processes. 3. Describe the structure organization of the lungs, including the branching pattern of the airway and the functional unit where gas exchanges occurs. 4. Explain in detail about autonomic nervous system. 5. Write various part of digestive system. Discuss the physiology of the digestion it detail. 6. Discuss in detail about endocrine system. Classify hormones and explanation mechanism of the action of hormones. 7. Explain autonomy of spinal cord with the help of a diagram. 8. Outline the physical characteristic and composition of the normal urine. Discuss the physiology of urine function. 9. Explain anatomy and physiology of female reproductive system. 10. Describe the gross anatomy of the urinary tract, listing the major organ and their function. 11. Explain the role of messenger RNA, mRNA in protein synthesis. Next important question for 7 marks. Number 1. How does the structure of the lungs, including alveoli, maximize gas exchanges? 2. What is the primary role of ATP in cellular processes and how does its unique structure contribute to this function? 3. Discuss in detail about structure of liver and role of bile juice in digestion. 4. Describe different part and type of nephron. 5. Discuss the mechanism of neurohumoral transmission in CNS. 6. Explain the physiology of menstrual cycle. 7. Define the term BMR and how it is detected. Describe various factors affecting BMR. 8. Explain the anatomy of respiration. Discuss its mechanism in detail. 9. Describe the nerve impulse transmission with diagram. 10. Explain the structure and function of spinal cord. 11. Discuss the endocrine gland and function of hormones. 12. Describe the autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic division. 13. Explain the structure and function of kidney. Describe the process of urine formation. 14. Structure and function of nephron. Next important question for 2 marks. Number 1. Define renal clearance. 2. Write normal pH of urine. 3rd. Name 2 gonadotropin hormones. 4. Full form of CNS and NS. 5. Name 2 disorder of thyroid gland. 6. Define myopia and hypermetropia. 7. Define synapse. 8. What is name the hormones of posterior pituitary? 9. The name of hormones secreted by pancreas. 10. Name the hormones of adrenal cortex. 11. Name the hormones secreted by pancreas. 12. Name the fluid present in eye. 13. Write 2 function of ovary. ये टोटल 10 मार्क्स और 7 मार्क्स और 2 मार्क्स के टोटल क्वेश्चन है। 38 टॉप मोस्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर से कलेक्ट किए गए हैं और जो कि आपके एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग इडू फार्मा एक्सपर्ट।